Good morning, y'all. Good morning. Today is Vlogmas day 6. And the last one I picked up a camera was the 4th. I think that was Sunday. Y'all, I've been so drained and so tired, you know, moving, unpacking, being pregnant. It's a lot. They're trying to vlog too. It's a lot. I'm tired right now. Yeah, we didn't do anything yesterday, but get this house together, and I'm going to show y'all now. And it's going to look like we haven't done anything, but I promise. No, it probably will look like we did something. Hold on, that's the washer dryer, y'all. It probably will look like we did something in comparison to what it looked like. Okay, so let me just flip the camera real quick for y'all. Okay, so this is now the living room. I'm getting rid of that painting right there. Got our couches set up over here. That's the stuff that needs to be put in drawers, whatever. In the closet, in the kitchen. That's my daughter's old stuff that's going to my newborn daughter. Decor stuff. The mirrors up. Hello. That stuff that needs to be hung up. All that stuff over there in that corner is stuff that needs to be given away. Gotta figure out what I'm doing. This is all stuff that needs to be washed. And we've been washing, y'all. Hold on, let me talk to y'all. We washed all day yesterday. And today is going to be no different. It's going to be a day of washing all day. But after this, we should be done washing for a while. And I'm going to start doing, like, on Sundays I wash clothes or something and wash shawl. I don't know. But after today, we should be done with the washing. On my entryway table, so down there is the glass on my entryway table. He still has legs in his car, but the entryway table is going to go right here. It's got black legs, a glass top. I'm going to put, I think, I'm going to show y'all when I get to the back. It's this gold mirror that's in the back, but I think I'm going to put 2 long gold mirrors right here above the entryway, right there. The TV that's in the back room, our bedroom, we're going to put up there because we have a projector for our room. Excuse me, y'all. These are all empty totes. I need to spray paint that and do something with it. This needs to go. We've also realized that we need a storage. Okay, because the last apartment that we lived in had a lot of storage, like extra closet space. It had a lot of extra space for that, but we only have this closet right here, and I could assume it's because the bedrooms are so much bigger as well. But yeah, so what's left is like, that's work stuff. I don't know what's in that tote, but I gotta go through it. Gotta go through that. Gotta go through all this stuff up here. Getting rid of those pillows right there. I don't know what I'm gonna do with. Yep, these are all clean dishes that need to be put away right here. We cooked last night, so this all needs to be washed over again and put away. This is all stuff that needs to be washed. Left over on this side. We got that going. My daughter's bed. I think I showed y'all my daughter's bed is up. Her bed is up. Trampoline. TV. Her toys over there. I don't know what we're going to do with that TV yet. This needs to be washed, spray painted, and done something with. This is all stuff that I don't know what I'm doing with it now or yet. So we're going to wait. And then we did her bathroom. Put her robe over here. Got her toothbrush and all that stuff over there. Blah, blah. She took a bath last night, so that's why. That up. Yep. Let's see. And this is the big bedroom. So yeah. I'm about to go through these 3 totes right here. These 3 bags and totes. This is all stuff that needs to be folded. All stuff needs to be folded and put away. So, yeah. Yesterday I had help. Oh, this is the mirror I was talking to you about. I'm going to put that in the entryway, like probably like 2 or 3 of them in the doorway. But yeah, y'all. Yesterday I had some help. Not some help. I had a lot of help. Because we had like, there was a lot of boxes of trash in here, y'all. And we have a lot of bags to give away. And then a few bags that needs to go back to storage because there's no space in here for it. That's why it's important for me to go through everything so we can figure out what needs to go where. Probably get a storage tomorrow because we want this place kind of put up and, you know, start to come together by this weekend. I do, at least. We both do. But yeah, I'm about to try this. I'm about to try this aloe vera juice. It's pomegranate flavored. On camera with y'all real quick. Real quick. I think it's gonna be good though. Yep, it is. And I've had so many aloe vera juices that have like the big aloe vera chunks in there, so I can appreciate. I haven't had this one in a while, so I can appreciate the chunks not being like huge. But yeah, no, it's good, y'all. I'm so tired, like y'all don't even know. I'm thinking about saving these totes for when I wake up from my nap, because I'm just that tired. And I can't do anything like this. I might need to have a nap first. So I'm probably going to come to y'all once I take this nap. Feel a little better because I don't really feel good right now. So I'm going to come back and let y'all know where I'm at. Okay? Good morning, vlog.
Good morning, vlog.
Today is Wednesday. Vlogmas day 7.
And the Santa Art Day.
And the Santa Art Day.
At school.
At school. Right now. Come on. Yeah. I'm about to get ready for school. I'm finna brush your hair up. He's getting ready for work. I'm gonna be out the door in like 5 minutes. I'll come back in a minute. Okay? Hey y'all, so I know I'm looking crazy. I've got my nightgown on, but I have a sweatshirt over my nightgown. We just went grocery shopping. This isn't all the stuff, so hold on. This is just some of the stuff that we got. He's got one more load to bring in. I'm gonna show you that when he comes back. Y'all, I have been really sucking it up this Vlogmas. It's not really me. I mean, I'm gonna put the blame on myself, but like, neighbors, friends. I mean, yeah. Anyway, today is the 8th. My tongue is wet. Probably just because I just got done dehydrated for one. But yes, today is the 8th. I didn't really vlog much. I haven't vlogged much really since like Tuesday. Really like since Sunday. And today's Thursday. I don't know. So I don't want to get copyrighted. But we are finally just about done what we're going to do with the house. Now we need to add stuff to the storage that we got yesterday. And then we have stuff over here in this corner that need to go to Salvation Army. We got trash in the hallway. But once that stuff is out of the way, then we'll really... then we'll, you know, really be... set in motion. But I just got back from the stores and I wanted to show you guys what I got from like for a little bit of home decor stuff. Actually, I'm not going to show you guys exactly what I got. I don't know. I really want y'all to follow me on TikTok because I'm going to do like a behind the scenes type of thing. But you guys can get, you know what, no, I'm going to show you guys the behind the scenes of everything that I got, and I'm just going to show TikTok how I did it. So we went to the Dollar Tree. This is what I got from the Dollar Tree like a few days ago. That's my spray paint and stuff. And here we just got some wax melts from Target. They were $2. So I was actually just in Target just looking around. Hold on, let me see if I can set y'all up. I'd be like really forgetting that this camera is really... I need to get another tripod. There we go. Boom, baby. Okay, so from the Dollar Tree, we got this Blessed matte. It was $1, so you know the quality isn't the best, but it's good enough. It will do. We got some storage little whatever storage bins for my daughter's room. I'm gonna see if they fit in her nightstand in a little bit, y'all. So I know y'all been seeing that viral end table. So I got some of these from the Dollar Tree, and I got this to go on top. I'm gonna spray paint it. I'm gonna show y'all. Okay. I got some wallpaper or shelf liner. This marble kind of, so I can go through. This is my daughter's scarf. This is mine. Put these to the car. Alright, that was everything in that bag. Like I said, this mirror that I'm going to put in my walkway, because my living room color is, so my couch is gray, but I want to do black, gold, and the accent colors, well, not really accent colors, black, gold, white, and then the accent of winter or like a forest green, like a really dark green. So that's my color scheme. Okay. We got this. Okay, well, this is silly that they did this like this. Hold on, y'all. Oh, what the heck? Okay, y'all see me struggling? Because, yeah, your girl is really struggling out here. Okay, we got this over the door hook that I'm going to put on the back of our bathroom door. I'm going to spray paint it first. Probably a gold or a black. Don't know yet. I just got 2 of these drawer organizers. I think I'm going to put them in the kitchen, in one of the drawers in the kitchen. Yep. I don't know if I'm going to spray paint these or not, or if I'm just going to leave them how they are. I might spray paint them white. So we'll see, because my kitchen color is black and white and the accent color gold. So we got this that I'm going to spray paint, which is a sponge holder. We got some carpet stuff, and when we finally do clean all this crap out, we can vacuum the floors and it can start smelling in here, y'all, because right now it just smells like house. I got this spoon holder that I'm probably going to spray paint gold. Okay. We got some kitchen towels. I got 2 of these black ones because, like I told y'all, my colors are black, white, and gold. Sorry, y'all. That's just my Instacart going crazy like that over here. I gotta go get my nephew in a little bit. Oh, y'all, look at these glasses. So I have a cart back in the back that is gray right now, but I'm going to turn it into either a bar cart or a coffee cart. But I thought this would be so cute for a coffee, so I think I'm gonna do coffee cart instead of a bar cart. So I got 3 of these. They're so cute. And then I got 2 of these that I'm going to spray paint the tops for, and probably glue them together side by side like that for the bathroom. I actually set it up like that. For, I think I'm going to put, what are those things called for your ears, in here. And then, in this one, put cotton balls in that one. Okay, and that was all that I got from the store, from Target and the Dollar Tree. I may go back to the Dollar Tree after I pick my nephew up. Don't know yet. But yeah, and then I got some more black spray paint just in case I ran out. So yeah. Now we're about to get started with everything. And I'll check you guys in a minute. So, okay. It's actually time for me to go get my nephew from school. But I just want to show y'all real quickly what I did do. Okay, So we got this right here, which is gonna be an end table. I'm gonna go by the Dollar Tree and grab 4 more of these and that top part to make another one. And then, I don't know what that is at the bottom of this, but it's not spraying down. But either way, we got this trash can that I'm spray painting. I'm not done. Yeah, I need to run to Walmart and get some more spray paint. And also, like I said, go by Dollar Tree and get that little piece that I said something about. And this is all the stuff that needs to be spray painted next. Yeah, which I'll probably get to tomorrow. But yeah, I'm about to run off real quick and go get my nephew and then come back and finish. Oh, look. And then this is like my entryway type of table. I don't remember where I got that piece from, but I had it and didn't use it last year. I'm going to put our name on there, the Youngs right there. I'm going to get a black, I don't know what color vase I'm going to get. It's going to be a vase right there. I'm going to put those black flowers in it. So, but yeah, stay tuned for that, okay? I'm probably going to get that from the Dollar Tree too. And I'm going to put this up here, well, maybe 2 or 3 along this wall when you first come in. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. I got my candle warmer going in here. I don't know if it's working or not. I just cut it on, so. Oh, no, it's warming. Okay. Yeah, y'all. All right, I'll be back. Missing someone.